blower motor is incredibly easy on these. Let's crawl under the dash. Our blower motor sits right here near our kick panel. You have our electrical connector. You'll notice a red tab. We'll push that towards the front of the vehicle. And then on the side, we have a little pinch tab. We'll just pinch that and pull our connector down. Let me show you that from a different angle. So right here's our lock tab that we're unlocking. And this black tab right here is what we pinch to pull it off the motor. Now that this is out of the way, let me show you one more lock tab in the back. So right here's our kick panel. And you'll see that spot marked blue. That's our lock tab for our motor. We want to pull that down to unlock it. Once it's out, I'll show you a little closer of how it works. But that's where it's located. So we'll reach around to the front, find that lock tab. Once we have it, we'll pull down on it. And then our whole unit, we're going to twist counterclockwise. And now it should come out. That's it. Not too bad. So here's that blue little lock tab. We're just pulling it down or just bending it down just a little in order to unlock it. Now this doesn't actually need a new blower motor, so we're gonna reinstall our old one. But with your new one, match it up with your old one, make sure everything's the same. Same shape, same size. Now let's install it. We're gonna aim that locking tab towards the back. Get this in, and we'll just turn it counterclockwise until it kind of falls right into place. Gotta find where it wants to sit. There we go. Now we'll turn it clockwise until we hear that lock into place. That's it. Plug in our electrical connector till it clicks, lock that red tab, and we're done. Easy as that. We can turn our controls on, make sure it's working, and we're good to go. If for some reason it's not working, click on this video and I'll show you how to replace the blower motor resistor. I'll also have a link in the description for all the parts and tools needed. If you have any questions, comment, post down below. Work safe, have fun. See you on the next one.